Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explain how to build an Astable Multivibrator circuit using 2 transistors. This circuit is a simple and effective way to generate square waves, and it's widely used in oscillators, timers, and LED flashers. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it works and how to design one yourself. Let's get started. What is an Astable Multivibrator? An Astable Multivibrator is a type of oscillator that doesn't require an external input to function. It continuously switches between 2 states, generating a square wave output. Unlike a monostable or bistable multivibrator, an Astable Multivibrator has no stable state and oscillates on its own. How an Astable Multivibrator works. Circuit overview. The circuit consists of 2 NPN transistors, 2 resistors, and 2 capacitors. These components are connected in a cross-coupled feedback configuration. When one transistor is on, the other is off, and they alternate states in a repeating cycle. Key components. Transistors act as switches, toggling between on and off states. Resistors control the base current of the transistors, ensuring proper switching. Capacitors provide the timing delay for the switching operation. Operation steps. Initially, one transistor turns on, while the other remains off. Let's assume transistor Q1 is on and transistor Q2 is off. The capacitor connected to Q1's base begins to charge through the resistor. As the capacitor charges, its voltage increases and eventually turns Q1 off. At this point, Q2 turns on. The same process repeats for Q2, causing the circuit to oscillate between the 2 states. This continuous switching generates a square wave at the output. Frequency calculation. The frequency of oscillation is determined by the values of the resistors and capacitors. The approximate formula is frequency equals 1 divided by 1.4 times the resistor value times the capacitor value. For example, if each resistor is 10 kΩ and each capacitor is 10 microfarads, the frequency is around 7 Hz. Applications of Astable multivibrators. LED flasher. By connecting LEDs to the collector of each transistor, the LEDs will blink alternately. Clock generator. The square wave output can be used as a clock signal for digital circuits. Tone generator. Adjusting the resistor and capacitor values allows you to generate audio tones. Advantages of this circuit. Simple design. Only a few components are needed, making it easy to build. Adjustable frequency. You can easily change the resistor and capacitor values to modify the oscillation frequency. Reliable operation. The circuit is highly stable for generating square waves in low-frequency applications. Building and testing the circuit. Assemble the components. Connect the 2 transistors, resistors, and capacitors according to the circuit diagram. Make sure to use a power supply suitable for the transistors, typically 5 to 12 volts. Testing the output. Use an oscilloscope to observe the output waveform at the collector of either transistor. You should see a square wave alternating between high and low states. Adjusting the frequency. Experiment with different resistor and capacitor values to change the oscillation frequency and observe the results. Conclusion. And there you have it, an explanation of the Astable multivibrator using 2 transistors. This circuit is a great starting point for understanding oscillators and timing circuits. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use an Astable multivibrator in your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.